Oh, hey everybody, what's up? It's me, DaniDaDude, and I'm here to do this month's Loot Crate. This month is Villains 2. Like, yeah! Forget heroes, we got villains! Yeah! Okay, so we're gonna be opening this crate. Alright, so let's see what's inside. Aw, yeah. Looking pretty promising. Which should be the first thing to get? And, oh! What could it be? Venom. Wait, what? Oh, hey, that's awesome! It's like a mug. Nice. Oh my gosh! It's a fucking mug! I mean, like, for real, the detail of it looks nice. But I think what I really love is how his tongue is so long, they actually make this to hold. I'm totally gonna keep this. Let's see, what is next? Looks kinda wacky. Oh, the Joker! A painted wooden figure. Oh yeah, if you look really closely to his mouth, it's like... Yeah, and to the back, it looks like we can also do, like, Batman and Superman. Oh, that's really nice. What is next? Okay, it's an EF collectible. Ooh. Captain America. The First Avenger. Man, what's up with all these random stickers all of a sudden? Whoa! Seriously, that looks pretty awesome. Hydra. Oh, that's cool. It's an official prop replica. Okay. Well, I love this. What is next? And oh, it's a shirt. Now time to. What could it be? Oh wait, no wait. Oh wait, no, never mind. It's not a shirt. Oh, los polos Hamanos. No, Hamanos. Oh wait, I think I get it. I think this is like the apron from the show Breaking Bad. Oh yeah, los polos Hamanos. Yeah, sorry if I'm like fucking out with my Spanish, but yes, like chicken brothers. I'm totally loving this. Yep, this will be my new apron. And this one is a button, and it's Venom's mouth. Alright, and let's see. And other than that, I think we also just got a book, which we'll probably not get into any detail with it, but let's just go through a few pages. Oh, hey, cool, Mass Effect. Limited edition crate. Yeah, probably not interested. Or maybe. Okay. And through looking inside the box, the document, share, enjoy, or else. Oh, that's kind of cool. So Joker's like building a robot. Honestly, how is he doing that? Man, this is awesome. I really love the design inside this. Oh, that's cute, Harley.
Like Harley and Joker. Hope Mr. J likes it.
Okay, well, I guess that's all I had to say. And man, I tell you, all of this is freaking awesome. I don't care I didn't get a shirt. this totally made this perfect, and the mug. I'm just really am satisfied. And what I said, totally, this is way better than Heroes 2. So villains, you won on this year. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. So until then, I'm DaniDaDude. So stay awesome, my friends.